Hey everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to restore old or damaged photos for free using Google's AI. First, open Google Photos on your phone or computer. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now, find and select the photo you want to restore. Tap or click on it to open it. At the top of the screen, look for the Edit button. It usually looks like a slider icon. Tap on that next. Look for the Tools menu. Inside, you should see a new option called Photo Restoration or Enhance. Select it. Google's AI will now automatically scan the photo. It will fix cracks, fade marks, and even colorize black and white images. Wait a few seconds for the process to complete. You'll see a before and after preview if you're happy with the result. Tap Save as Copy to keep the restored version without deleting your original, and that's it. You've just restored an old photo using AI in less than a minute. For more quick tech tutorials like this one, make sure to subscribe.